Richard has embarked on this tour of Europe, the United Kingdom, as well as North America, putting on these series of events called the Enlightened Moment. And depending on the city, that Enlightened Moment can be a satsang, which will be happening in Marston on March 7th. It may be a talk, or it may combine a satsang with a talk with some workshops, which would expand over several days. So depending on the city, one may experience a different kind of events. The event in Marston that you're hosting, and Richard will be coming into Marston, it will be a satsang evening, which is certainly incorporates meditation, but it's the opportunity for the individual, the seeker, to sit in truth with the spiritual teacher, to share in the wisdom of the moment, ask questions, receive answers, but sit in that truth. So we're most grateful, Lorraine, that you are hosting that event in Marston, and Richard looks forward to being with you and others in Marston on March 7th.
Yeah, well, it's nice to be
If they
part
wanted
of the
to
World
touch
Tour.
base with you and RSVP for the Enlightened Moment event happening on March 7th in Marston, how could they reach out to you, Lorraine?
My email address is lorrainekeeling@therapists.net, or they can contact me via my website, which is lkhypnotherapy.wordpress.com.
Thank you very much, Lorraine, for being with us. It was a pleasure speaking with you.
Thanks for having me. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Bye-bye.
Thanks. Bye-bye.